Dear students, greetings to all. I sincerely hope that all of you and your loved ones are doing well. The following information is to help you to spend your vacation productively to acquire some creative skills. Go through it and utilize the time efficiently. Dear students, welcome to home learning. Vacation is time to learning new skills. Time to learn and sharpen new skills. To make your vacation more beautiful, you need to organize your time and do the things which are worthful. Doing so will boost up you to make your vacation meaningful and enjoyable one. The general ideology of people designing for a happy life is to stay healthy and have a proper balance in life. Balance is the key to happy life. People become successful only because their ways and the method of spending their time productively. Instead of wasting your time carelessly, you should rather use this productive time to do tasks that are helpful and fun. Here are some tips for you. First, make a good plan and schedule for the whole vacation and follow it because this is the time for change. Be safe at home and take care of your health and hygiene. Studies should be continued. Fix a particular time every day for studies. Students, you can visit the Vidyalaya website where your teachers are uploading e-lessons. Website address is given below. For NCERT based online learning, use Genio to learn science, mathematics and English for class 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here are some educational Android apps to spruce up holidays. ePathshala by NCERT Education, My CBSE Guide. Web address is given for your reference. Bharat Padhe Online, recently launched by Ministry of HRD. Merit Nation is offering free live classes for class 6 to 12th students. For plus 2 students, free study material for the entrance exam preparation is available in the National Testing Agency website. For JEE and NEET aspirants, study materials are freely available in the etosindia.com website. This study material helps students to grasp the fundamental concepts properly. For career options after class 12th, you can visit shiksha.com. After class 12th board exams, many of you must be quizzed to select stream and graduation courses for yourselves. Choosing what to study after class 12th is a critical and career defining decision. Unfortunately, too many students begin career planning at the last minute and end up choosing paths that are popular. There are numerous interesting and lucrative career options in India apart from the usual ones such as doctors, engineers or civil servants. IndiaEducation.net has compiled a list of career choice in India from diverse fields like science, engineering, medical, computer and IT, mass communication, law, armed forces, performing arts and design, and many other fields. Students, learn new things to explore yourself in a systematic way. Visit to inspire.gov.in. Execute your plan strictly and reduce the doing nothing hours. Take up a project that really gives you a sense of purpose. It can be craft, drawing, singing, origami, dancing, debate, or even life skills. Read good books. A good book is something that can transport you from your immediate surroundings to another world. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Find a hobby for yourself. You could choose to do as variety of different things as improving useful skill to learn where your interest or talent lie. You can write news articles, especially ones that affected your family like school closures, social distancing, or how different people are coping with the shelter in one place, order in both positive and negative ways. In technological era, innumerous skill can be acquired and blog it. Your blog could be anything that interests you. It may sports, movies, social problems, books, singing, writing, fun games, etc. Practice yoga. It will keep you entire day active and creative. Meditate for a while. It is of paramount importance to spend regularly for meditation. It helps you to survive better. Spend some silent moment in conversation with God. Students, be a part of home activities. There you can learn many new things. Do learn some spring cleaning activities. Spend some time in your personal care. Only when you look good can feel good. Have a great sense of accomplishment. Dear students, stay active and feel fresh. Thank you.